me say them have spot, not sprat. Alright. Plant in a pot. So I go on, man. Wally pack cooking I go on today, you see? Yes, family, good morning. Yes, man, give thanks to another great rise, you know. It's sunny and it's out, yeah. Grass and water. Dog them in the yard, full dry themselves. And when grass cut everything, you know. Yeah. Today's another day, you know. Take some time for just kick back and relax and cook some food. The man can get ready to embark on an epic adventure, you know, as what I say. And you know, we have to get everything straight up, ready up for the adventure. So yeah, man, we'll clean up the deck and clean up the yard and cut grass and them two yeah, have to deal with. But yeah, man, I just want to give a quick update from my veggies before we get an idea still. So yeah, man, we're talk about aquaponics versus conventional planting. This is my aquaponic garden. So about 3 days ago, I plant these. So these are different types of vegetables, from cabbage to tomato, yeah man, cucumber, all kind of things I plant in here. And you see, in about 3-4 days, I'm already start grow. So as what I say with that system here, is an enclosed system. That means when I put no water directly, or there's not a continuous water being pumped to it. So as you can see, there's a drum under there, so filled with water. And sometimes we put fish in there, crayfish, and raise them, right? Because they provide nutrients for the plants. So anyway, what happens is the water flows up into the grow bed, and then this, them call it a bell siphon. So what happens is the water only come up to the level of the gravel, and then what happens is once it gets to that level, it outflows back through that pipe you see right there. So what happens is the roots get fed, but it's not oversaturated where it kill the roots. So they grow a lot faster, because they get continuous water, they produce faster. So that's where we are with that, you know. Then update for my fruit trees now, see. One of my grapes. Yeah man, my grapes to my come back. So my grape plant there. They go full up that trellis here, you know. Yeah. That grew good from last year. So, you know, grape it kinda got dormant in the winter time. And then hold on, let me see if I can show it from up top so I can see what I talk about. You see? So it grew all like that last year. And then let me can zoom in, hold on. Yeah, see that? It grew all like that last year. So now it's gonna regrow and then spread over the entire trellis. Or if I control it when we want it grow still, you know? So far it's growing good. Hopefully we get some grapes this year, you know? And as what I say, you know, I love my garden, you know. So I plant some more fruit trees, and then as I say, my fruit trees them are blossom already, and I look like them are beers, them are get ready to bear some fruit. So some little grass patch, you know. If you don't remember, and I watch a video, you know, some little grass patch when plant about a month now. Yeah man, I look at the grass grow nice and thick, right respect the pond there, you know. So some the blueberry look like them are bloom already, and I get ready to start bear some fruit. And I'm planting some blackberry. Blackberry over here, so 2 blackberry trees. I'm gonna plant more fruit trees over here so as well, you know. And then now my raspberry tree I come back up right there, so nice, you know. So yeah man, everything I grow good. And then let me show you what I go on over here, so. Yeah man, look at grass patch there I grow good man. See now I can cut it like a bit nice and pretty, and you can just sit down with yourself, relax in front of the waterfall, you know? Yeah. Okay. So as far as the garden go, yeah, so man, veggies them are grow up nice. Yeah man, see some plant up some cucumber, so the cucumber them will plant indoors. And you see how fast them grow. Yeah man, some spinach and romaine lettuce and regular lettuce. Yeah man, everything will grow up nice. And spinach. I never random potato plant from last year come back, you know. So keep an eye out so you don't cut yourself on them sticky. But anyway, tomato they start grow. And yes, we plant the young one them. Yeah, the young one them from inside now, we just plant them and then they did that grow already. So them they grow nice, you know. And then some okra, we just plant it so. And then some potato them you know, when we plant the other day, them just start come up now. Yeah, see that? Potato plant, yeah man, potato plant that come up. Yeah man, plant sweet potato, Irish potato, sweet potato them not start come up yet still. And then of course we look at season garden. Yeah, my thyme, some mint, good mint that you know, and then some sage there, and call it Chinese thyme of Jamaica. And then I don't know what go on with the basil there, but I want to grow nice. I'm sorry, rosemary. Rosemary this. And then some scallion them there, and my onion them. Onion them grow fast. Yeah man. See that? Onion. Onion over here so. Scallion over there so. And then of course my fruit trees. Yeah. So see my plum tree, yeah. Finally this year, you know, check. Years me have that plum tree, you know. And see plum first time it a beer in about 3 years me have it now. And this is the first year it a bloom. It a not really bloom, but it a beer some plum. So see the plum there? Yeah man. And see my apple tree, you know. Apple tree a blossom. Peach tree I already have peach I come up on it. Yeah man, I wanna go have a whole heap of peach. That's there. Yeah man, a whole heap of peach. Every one of them look a thing that way you see. Peach. And then this is my other plum tree that I get ready to start beer. Yeah man. And the other peach tree. One more apple tree. And then the other peach tree. So I got a whole heap of peach this year, you know. Yeah man, hopefully God willing. So yeah man, that is it for the garden, as what I say. You know, I clean up the yard and I cook out some food today. I keep it light today still, you know. I fry up some fish out on the fire pit there. Keep that blaze already there. And I gotta do kids them to them want some hamburger and hot dogs. Yeah, so I keep it light, you know. So yeah man, I'm go and stay tuned to the channel, you know man. Big up all of my subscribers, them, all of my new subscribers, them. Welcome to the channel, you know. Much respect for the comments and the likes and the shares, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man, want to big up all of my YouTubers them out there. Especially my one them want Jamaica want go. Jamaica vibes, bless up yourself. Yeah man, Chevy, bless up yourself. Junior, lifestyle of fishing. Big up yourself, my brother. Yeah man. Jam Houston, yeah, bless up yourself. George, big up yourself, you know. Yeah man, Tata, Martian, lifestyle family, big up yourself. Yeah man, what if people may have to mention, you know. So yeah man, I'll go back into the archives later and just mention some more names later in the video. Alright? Yeah man, we're going to stay tuned and, you know, that's what I say. watch what go on now this great rise. Yes. Family, alright, check in. So finally this here behind this man, I just some old stuff made a burn up, you know? So we can't use that thing. Finally, so right now, I'll set up some firewood for the flames. Watch out, Ranger, go. Go. See it? That dog get a lot of excitement, you know. Yeah, the whole time there, you know, come over here. As soon as I turn on the camera, him walk over there. So I didn't know. But yeah, that's what I say, you know. You don't know my motto, you know. Smart and not harder. You see, I have my little gadget here. You can't use machete and cut them out, you know. You're there all day. So I just have this little thing I now buy. See it there? Have a blade on it, right in the center. Just drop the lumber on it like so. Get a little hammer. Split it. See that? Just like that. You know what I'm saying now? It makes sense you have technology to use it. And as you get older, as I say, I don't mind some exercise, but never a better way to do it. Never use it. So this saved me a lot of time, you know. By doing this, you can set up, get my lumber cut up very quickly. Just like that. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I finish split up the rest of this lumber here, get ready for the fire, and then I'm gonna clean up the fish. And once we clean up the fish now, start the fire, then I bring everything out and just go and cook it up. Yeah, so like I said, beautiful day, you know. Yeah man, I'm showing how I go on. Day is nice and beautiful and the weather nice out here, the weather nice, you see it? Yeah man. So out my backyard here just full jar the waterfall. You know? See dog them out there, so see ranger out there, so the pan yard, you know? You know we're close there. Yeah man, so we just there go and kick back and relax and do some yard work and cook at the same time, you know? So yeah, just check in shortly, and once we bring out the food and, you know, fish set up and thing, then we're gonna cook. We're gonna start cook. So yeah man, stay tuned. Alright family, so fish them clean up and thing. Yeah, so we're gonna just drop some seasoning on them. That's what I say. If you watch Junior Lifestyle of Fishing, I feel them remedy this, you know. Season fish. You see it? I'm gonna say it already, I'm gonna say it again. You want you season it away, and you fish them just nice and crispy and them don't burn. Yeah man, we're gonna drop some slap your mama. So the hot one, you know, you see, when you see the white buckle, the hot one this. But you know, we can't have fish without little spice on it, you know. We just drop some all-purpose in there. You can't use the rest of that. Yep. That is it. Alright. Mix that in now. Get my little gloves there. Best gloves on the market, you know. I'm telling you how to cook. Strong and durable. You see? Yeah man. Excuse me. You know, I have to turn on my face for now. And the spice reach me. So nice and seasoned up. Salt. just a little bit of salt, a little bit of kosher, so the thick grain salt. That will make it nice and perfect. A little bit more. Alright. So that will be it. Yeah, so we have everything set up, you know. We have the fish set up, and so the family want hamburgers and hot dogs today. So we'll get them hot dog ready. See that? Hot dog. And then we have some hamburger. We'll throw up on the grill. Yeah, man. Gotta cook light today, you know? Yeah. Alright, family, check in. So, yeah, man, we get everything set up, you know? Yeah, man. Everything set up, so we go. Start the fire. Alright. I think that's enough flames for now. Hold on. Aside here. Alright. Flame set up on that side there. Alright. Let's go check on the grill. Alright, grill look like it's ready, you know. I'm gonna get my little gloves, yeah. Yeah, grill nice and hot. So I'm gonna I'll do the hot dogs last. That's the burger, like I'll take a little while. Well, not a little while, but burgers cook a bit longer than the hot dogs. You know what I say? So get these burgers on the grill. Alright. Burgers on. burgers are on the grill. I'm gonna make them just start do them thing, you know. And then once them get warm up a little bit, then we're gonna drop some seasoning on them. Alright? So we're gonna stay tuned to that. Nice breezy day. Yeah. Get the fire going. Put down the grill. See there? Grill set up. Alright, next thing we're gonna do is I'll probably go on burn. I'll come over here so get some ashes and put on the pot. You already know, once you drop ashes on it, make the pot easier to clean. Drop some little ashes we have from earlier today. I'm gonna get the gloves. So when you deal with multiple things, just I'll put some dirt on it because you know about this ashes here. So we could just use some of the dirt from the garden. What I say, it's not going to waste, right? We use everything. Yeah, so can use up some dirt from the garden. Same thing as ashes, you know. Same thing as ashes. I already put some soap on it. And dishwashing liquid on it. Make sure so it's when you get ready to wash it now, you just wash it right off. Yeah man, see there? Dirt, look at dirt. Alright. Dirt pot good. So make sure I use my gloves so I can keep my hand clean. Eat dirt on the pot. Alright. Let's go back over here today. For the fire pit, we're going to put on the pot on the fire. Okay. Pot is on. Alright. You see, even though I wear gloves, still I wash my hand, you know. Yeah, man. Still I wash my hand. I'm going to say keep it clean. Cleanliness is next to what? Godliness. Alright, rinse off my hand again. Alright. I'm clean. My hand clean. Still I draw for the gloves, you know? Still I make sure so we have the gloves. Even though we aren't clean, the gloves there. Alright. So I'm going to grab my oil. My fish. So let's season up the fish earlier. Fish set up now the seasoning there. I'll drop some oil in the pot and get this thing ready. Get the oil nice and hot. and get the fish fry up, you know. Alright, hot up. Have the fish over here, so. And drop in a scotchy to make sure so we know when the oil hot. Have some garlic over here, so. Put 2 pieces of garlic in there. Alright, that is it now, you know. Alright, so I make the oil go hot up and thing, and once the oil get hot, I'm going to drop in the fish every night, you know. So let's stay tuned to that. I want to see what I go on. Alright. Alright, family, check in. Check. So yeah, so the grease is nice and warm up and all. Yeah, man. Got to start burn. You know, so the grease ready. So we'll drop in the fish them in up. Fish them a season up in I seasoning from a couple hours, you know. And some spot me I fry today, you know. Yeah, man. Some spot. Them coming like sprat, you know. A little bit thicker than sprat still, but. And you know, they find them nice and crunchy, you know. One more in there, no? Okay. Right. That's it. Alright, while the fish are fried, I'll go check in for the burgers. So then I'll go on. Family, so see burger them now. Left on the grill. So what we're gonna do now, drop some, get them start heat up already. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop some seasoning on them. Yeah. Yeah, so you know them just for them come like this, you know, and not the season on them, so you know, you have to drop the season on them and make it soaky. Yeah, see that? That's the grill, see? Alright. So yeah, season up on one side already. So what we're going to do now, we're going to just make that go and cook down. And then we're going to flip them in a few minutes. As I said, burger don't take long to cook, you know, but you see me put them on the top grate. So that way there, them not burn, you know. You have to keep an eye on the grill because the grease will come off of the burger and you can catch a grease fire for your grill. The last thing you want. That's what I say. So yeah man, we're going to check in back on this shortly. Alright, it's going good. Because they're not stick together, you know. Come on. Alright. Now to turn them in, you know? I'm going to fry up. So yeah man, I'm making fish are going to fry up and thing, and yeah, we're going to just check in back in a little bit. Alright? So stay tuned to the channel, man. Yeah, man, a big fish fry I go on today, you know? Yeah, man. Let me say easy day, fish fry, hamburger, hot dog. Yeah. So yeah, man, stay tuned to the channel. Alright, family, check in for the fish. So fish them look nice and fire, boom! You see it? So me say, I come like, we fry them like sprat, you know. You see it? Nice and crunchy. So I got escovitch them in, I put some escovitch sauce on there, you see it? And you see the grease slow down now, you can take them off of the fire, you know. And then drop in the second batch. You see? So yeah, man. Lemon. Nice and fried on. Alright, see there? First batch is off the fire. I'll drop in the second batch now. Yeah, so there, so. Drop in the second batch. Okay, so I talk about with the fish them and not burn. You know? I'll put the whole batch tonight. Alright, yeah man. The fish then I agree that I last batch right there so. Yeah. See? So I make them go and fry down. And then you check in when you have time to take them off of the fire. You see? Yeah man, stay tuned man. You see everything I go on, you know? Yeah, I go on good. Yeah, that's it. Take them and fry up nice. And so we take off of the fire already, yeah? Alright. So now I go on. See them? Take all them off of the fire already. See? And then once you bring them inside now, I'm going to escovitch there. I got some escovitch season. Never escovitch season. So I make my own season ready up for everything already. Now. So I'm going to make some, I'm going to drop them on it. As soon as we get inside, I drop them on it. You see? So yeah man, stay tuned man. The epic gear, you see? Yeah man, knock outside cooking and go on. Pot is booming. Yeah man, stay tuned. Alright, check in. Yeah man. Burger them ready, you know. Gotta take them off of the grill. Hot dog them almost ready. Beef burger, you know, so you don't eat pork. Yeah, see there? Nice and ready up. Come on, burger them ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn. Let's move the hot dog so they can get that burn. what I say, you know, easy day, you know. Go and make some cooking because now cook for the next couple of days. I go on an adventure, so I have to make sure say we have enough food for today and tomorrow. Which between the family I feel like that is more than enough, you know. So see there? That dog them go and wax up. See? Black down and make them swell up and get some nice colouring on them. But yeah man, burger done. See there? Burger done. And them look nice, you know? So what I'm gonna do now, I'll take off the fish. I'm gonna them say them want fries. So I have some potato fries and me want some plantain with my fish. So I'm gonna eat some plantain with my fish. Alright? So yeah man, we're gonna just go over here and check in on the fish, take them off for the grill, and then off for the fire, that's what I should have said, and then drop on the plantain and the fries. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, check in on the fish. So the fish them look like they're ready, you know. Yeah man. Fish them ready. Ready up. Nice and crunchy. I say we have a fried in like you fry sprat. As I say them have spot, not sprat. Okay? So but them eat the same way. Yeah man, yeah. Them small. You have to fry them up crunchy, you know? Take them out for the fire now. Alright, see there? All I spot them done. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm dropping some plantain. So I like fried green plantain for eat with my fish. And they may not take long enough. It's nice and hot already. So few minutes and then they'll come off of the fire. See me? Alright, plantain in a pot, frying up. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, you can see, show the fish them. Yeah man, fish them nice and fry up and crunchy and thing. See it? Yeah man. So I bring them inside. I put some escovitch on them, make them go and soak, and we'll come back and take out the plantain off of the fire. See? So, yeah man. Go and watch what I go on, man. Whole heap of cooking I go on today, you see? Beautiful day outside today. Alright, so plantain fry up. Yeah man. Nice and crunchy. Ready up. Take them off of the grill. Plantain chips, you know. Haha. Yes, man. Let them go and soak. Yeah, man. See there? Plantain chips. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, I'll drop the fries them on the fire. So dropping the fries them now. And I fry them. I'm ready. Why? You know, I can't cook on no sample, you know. I mean, I put no salt on the plantain in yet, but the plantain chips, yeah. Yeah, man. Even without the salt, nice and good. I'm not having no salt, you know. I mean, the fish have the salt punch already. Oh. Everything good. Alright, let me drop some more fire. Fire stick and the fire. I get blaze up. So we can get these fries cooking. Yeah, man. Alright, so I get that fire that blaze up so we can cook the fries. And then, what I'm going to do now, I'll check in on the hamburger then. Not the hamburger, I mean the hot dog then. So, let's see what I want over here. So. Alright, check in again. Yeah, man. So, see the hot dog done, you know. You see them nice and plump. It's the one that swell up to the bus. Hot dog done. Yeah. So, what I'm going to do now, get them hot dog here for the grill. This hot dog take long for cooking. See there? Nice and plump. Now, get them for the grill. So, I'm showing that one. Yeah, man. See it? Alright, hot dog is ready. Put them over here so we can go and germinate on that. Turn off the grill. Yeah. Yeah man, hot dog ready. Ready one. You see it? So yeah man, we're gonna check in on the fries. And that is the last thing we have to do today. Alright? So I'm going to check in over here to see what I'm going. Alright, check in. So, I don't know much people ever do fries from outside fire, you know, but even me are the first one to, I don't know. But my fries are look good. Watch that. Yes, man. Watch that. French fries. They're right next to my plantain. Nice, huh? Nice, huh? Fry up and crunchy. None of them no burn. Yeah, man. That is a plus in itself. You know? Yeah, man. So, hey. I'm gonna call it, you know. I don't know if anybody ever do French fry pan. Open fire, you know. But they're gonna call it. First time ever French fry pan open fire. You see? I wanna burn none of them. Yeah man. Nice and crunchy. Just everything out of the pot. Yeah, everything out of the pot now. Take the pot off of the fire. I'll make the oil cool down so I can come back and get that later once it cool down. And the fire gonna burn out, you know. You know, I gotta make the fire burn. That's the good thing about this fire pit is that at least we don't have to monitor the fire because it's a fire pit. See? So it can just burn out. And if we want to come back and relax, enjoy some flames, yeah, we can do that. So yeah man, I eat that, you know. Fries cook up. Okay. Okay. Nice sound. Like you know seasoning. But get you inside. I bring all them food inside. I put some little seasoning on it. But see done, you know. Yeah man. have my fries, and then my plantain go with the fish. Yeah, I'll see that. Hot dog ready up. So, yeah, man, catch you inside, man. Gotta put together a nice little plate for you. Or for me, not for you. I wish you were there for come eat some of them food there, but I put together a plate for me and the family, and yeah, man, so I can eat some food. Yeah, so stay tuned, man. See what I go on. Yeah, see there? Flame still a burn. Everything cook up already. Yeah, man. Check it. Alright, my family. So, yeah, man, everything cooked down, you know. So, I put a little final touches on it, you know. See the fish there? Yeah, man. Fry up nice and crispy. Hot dog over here, so. Plantain and French fry. First time ever upon the outdoor fire. Yeah, you see it. Then we have the, move this out that everyone can see. So the hamburger them there. And then apparently them want bacon cheeseburger, so I have to put some bacon in the oven. I couldn't do it on the fire still because I want fire never burn today, you know? So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just drop some escovitch on the fish. And as I'm tell you, so every time I cut up seasoning, I always save a backline. Every Jamaican know this, you know. Yeah man, you always have a backline escovitch seasoning ready to go. You know? Yeah man. So I just drop this on the fish. You see it? Get some of the vinegar and everything on it. Watch it. Yeah, come on. Who don't have this in their fridge? Because I know when I grow up, I don't know if no Jamaican family don't have some escovitch season already in their fridge. Ready to go. It's all good. It's the best, you know. A month, so me not lie to you, a month this thing is soaking, you know. You see it? Yeah man, you see time and everything in there. Yeah man. And the vinegar and everything, yeah man. I can just make that soak down. Sweet pepper, hot pepper, everything in there. Yeah man. Tell me if you know if somebody have it's not in the fridge, tell me. And if you don't have it, only need to get it. So that's because me come from a generation where this have to in the fridge, you know. Yeah man. Escovitch have to in the fridge. You see it look pretty? Yeah man. See, and then, alright, so escovitch is done. So what we're going to do now, we're going to deal with the plantain and fries. So, I'll tell you something. If you know, Maryland is a place for crabs, you know, and seafood. And see, you see this? You see that season, yeah? Old Bay? Yeah, man, I eat that, man. But I tell you, I'm not just for seafood, you know. You see, when you put this on your fries, yeah, man. Put this on my fries. And then I'm going to drop it on my plantain too. You see it? Yes, man. Watch there. Nice and just season up, you know. I'm not going to say I'm the first one to do it. Well, whole bake on my fries, but I know not a lot of people ever do what you call it on them fries. I do them fry out on outside on a wood fire. A wood fire I call it, because a wood fire it is. So I say, I fry plantain on a wood fire with all beer seasoning. Yes, man. See it there? Yeah. Alright, so that ready up, you know. So, what we're going to do now, because everybody at work, the kids at work, Lynn at work, so me alone operate today. So tell me if I do a good job by myself still, you know. But, yeah man, I saw it stay. Yeah man, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to ring the food bell and see who show up. And yeah, we're going to cut out some veggies so we can make at least a bacon cheeseburger, right? As what I said, I make the fish them soak because that's from my Bombay later. Yeah. And right now, I'm going to just ring the bell and I'm going to cut up some salad and thing so we can make some cheeseburger. See? So we'll check back in then and see how things turn out. You know already see how things turn out, but we're gonna see how we want to eat at least, try at least one of the burger then. You know, but the fish are the main thing we want to eat still. So yeah man, we're gonna show them how we're going until we set up one of the burger then. So I'm gonna cut up some vegetables right now and then we're gonna check back in time we you see me I put it together so we can see. You know, we have to make sure the presentation right. You see? Yeah man. So check in shortly. Alright. Alright, so everything is done. As you can see. So as what I say. The fish is soaking in the escovitch. Hot dogs are done. My French fries and my fried plantain is done. Hamburger is done, and then of course bacon cheeseburger is what we're going for. So you don't know, as usual, I have to sample it. So I'm gonna make me a bacon cheeseburger. I got some pepper jack cheese. You know, everything over here, so it's pre-packaged, right? So all right, so let's start with my burger, cheese, what was it, tomatoes, a little bit of lettuce, that's French for lettuce. All right, do we want some ketchup? Just a little bit of ketchup. Oh, this thing is pouring out. I think because it was already upside down, so just a little bit of ketchup. Right, hold on, let me wash my hands. All right, yeah. All right. Piece de resistance. So we got burger, cheese, tomatoes, lettuce. Let's see how this thing goes. That's it. That's it. Okay. Like I say all the time, if you don't know where I live, you wish you did. If you do, you know where I live. So it's so good. So anyway, I'm just gonna eat my burger, and then I have to save some space because this is my thing right here. Is the fish and as my plantains over there. All right. Oh, you know what? Hold on. I almost forgot. I did all this bacon, and I ain't put no bacon on there. Hold on. Let me drop a piece of bacon on it, because it's not a burger without bacon. You know? All right, here we go. One more bite. That's what it was missing. You know, bacon make everything better. Yep. That's what it is. My daughter has a camera and she's cracking up back there. So, but yeah, no. Like I said, it was a great day. Nice day. Weather's beautiful. Got to spend the day outside, cook on the fire. I still say I'm the first one to make French fries on an open flame. I've never seen it before, so hopefully I can claim that. You tell me, all right? So again, you know, the day's over. It was great. I'm gonna finish my food, and until the next time. Oh, and before, like I said, The next time you see me, the next video you see from me, it's gonna be an epic link up. All right, yeah, we're getting ready to go on an adventure like I've been telling you all day. So in the next couple of days, just stay tuned, and I think you guys are gonna love this. So until next time, as I say, give thanks for the great rise. God bless, and I will see you in the next one. Blessings.